All right, Mint 400. It's 2019. I'm excited. The truck's good, and I feel that everything we learned at the hammers having problems, we think we got fixed. So the wiring's good. We did a lot of testing with Fox, so the shocks are working better than they ever have. We're just learning more and more about the trophy Jeep, because this course is going to be rougher than any of them, and I feel that what we've learned, let's see if it pays off. So I'm excited. We'll push hard and be ready to go.
Shake it back. No mercy for you, no worries for you. That Game of Thrones, go Cersei on you. I flip the script, I roll the dice. Don't fall asleep, cause I'm working nights. Hey, you tryna shut me out, it's getting blatant. Hey, I come and see you now, no hesitation. Yeah, I'm really, really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it.
I got my heart going.
The world wasn't round, would you flip it over? You playing poker with the Joker, boy, let's keep it kosher. Yeah, mama, your son finna go supernova. Keep your focus, really, I just might spaz out in this place. Got that war paint on my face. Just been running around in this race, feels like I've been running in place. Now I got hella bling, got hella rings. I'm ready now, sitting every team. Y'all slept on me, that's hella dreams. Don't take time, take everything. You tryna shut me out, it's getting blatant. Yeah, I come and see you now, no hesitation. Yeah, I'm really, really tired of being patient. Yeah, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it.
All right, Mint 400 in the books. Finally took first place, so I'm super excited. We had a good day. Pushed hard from the beginning, no flat tires, the nittos were perfect, KMC wheels were dialed in, and honestly, Fox did an amazing job. We've been working hard on the suspension setup, and it's paying off because the course is brutal, and this thing it likes it.
I'm Casey Currie. Thank you for watching. Now, comment below, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here, watch more videos here. Thank you guys.